As health food standards gain popularity, companies are eager to get the maximum benefits in their foods, and UA Food Science Department researchers are finding better methods to retain health-promoting compounds in processed foods. Luke Howard, professor of food science, leads a functional foods lab in an aim to study how health compounds are lost in processing, and then seeks to improve nutritional content in the food, with knowledge of what is lost in the process.
So we're just now getting into the phase we've observed where all these losses of polyphenolics or antioxidant compounds that occur. Now we're trying to come up with methods to better preserve those polyphenolics, okay, during processing and also during storage. So it would benefit both the processor and the consumer as well.
Program Associate Cindy Brownmiller is the only undergraduate in the laboratory. Her job in Howard's lab is to process foods, mainly berries, and identify and quantify health-promoting compounds like antioxidants, using what's called a high-pressure liquid chromatography machine.
The solids come in here, and they're mixing into this line, and this is what our auto sampler is. Rated, so the sample, blueberry, blackberry, whatever extracts, all coming in here together. Some of it sticks to the column more than others, so some compounds come out sooner, and then as the gradient changes, and then they kind of get washed off. And this computer lets us see what's coming out when.
Graduate Assistant Mary Kordsmeyer is one of the lab technicians who solely researches extracting vitamin E from rice bran oil, deemed useless to the human diet.
And in my case, they deodorize it to get rid of the volatile compounds that give it a bad smell. And so at that point, that's when all these vitamin E compounds leave, because they go out with the unwanted smells and rest of the junk that's in there, basically. And then that's when I get it.
While improving the nutrition of foods is important to Howard, he says he finds popular health trends to be hyped up with little research to back it.
The area of functional foods is very popular right now, but people want healthier foods. And that's what a lot of people want to happen. They want us to bring, for example, if you hear fish is good, well, why can't you isolate, I don't like fish. So take the omega-3 fatty acids and stick it in the food. And food companies tend to do that, whatever's hot, you know. And I don't know if that's a good idea.
Reporting for the Limkey Newsroom, I'm Nick Brothers.